Every great product begins with a strong foundation. And at Crystal Groups, that foundation is built with precision, passion, and technology. Our journey begins at the Crystal Group's manufacturing facility, a place where ideas, materials, and craftsmanship come together to create high-quality packaging solutions. As we enter inside, the process starts with premium craft paper reels. These reels form the base of every corrugated sheet we produce. First, the craft paper enters our C-Fluid corrugation line, powered by advanced hydraulic technology. This machine shapes the paper into strong, durable fluids ideal for heavy-duty packaging. Next, our B-Fluid corrugation machine produces sheets engineered for enhanced stacking strength and rigidity. And along with these, we also have an E-Fluid corrugation line, used for lightweight, premium, and high-precision boxes. Once the sheets are formed, they move to a rotary cutting machine, where each sheet is cut to the exact size required. From cutting, the sheets enter the slotting machine, which creates slots, creases, and folds, shaping the universal types of corrugated boxes we manufacture. The shaped sheets then arrive at our stitching machine, where strong metal wire stitching gives every box the durability needed for handling and transportation. Finally, the finished boxes are neatly stacked, tied, and moved to our packing section, ensuring each bundle is ready for dispatch. Alongside corrugated boxes, we also specialize in mono cartons. The process begins with preparing the fresh board stock. The sheets are then moved to our Germany-made Wallenberg cutting unit, where they are trimmed with precision. After completing the printing process, the sheets enter the lamination machine, which enhances appearance, durability, and print finish. The laminated sheets then move to laser-cut die punching, where they are shaped into perfect carton layouts with crisp, clean edges. For customized shapes and sizes of printed corrugated boxes, pasting is done with even more care. This ensures perfect alignment, strong bonding, and the premium finish that brands expect. Once pasted, the sheets are placed on a trolley and moved to the next department, beginning a carefully controlled sequence of high-accuracy processes. The trolley first reaches a laser die punching unit, where advanced dies ensure clean cuts and precise shaping. After die punching, the sheets pass through our advanced flop pasting machine, adding final structural strength and giving both mono cartons and printed corrugated boxes their completed form. All our finished mono cartons and custom printed corrugated boxes then move to the packing section, where they are bundled, strapped, and prepared with care, ensuring every product leaving our facility meets the highest standards of precision, reliability, and strength. Crystal Groups, where technology shapes strength, craftsmanship defines quality, and every box tells a story.